So the next question is, Scott, what is your advice for speeding up your clients' breakthroughs? I know you talk a lot about speed. What is the easiest way to do this? So it's a very good question. So how do we speed up results? So I just made a video before about why speeding up results is so important. One of the ways you can speed up your results, which is sort of counterintuitive, is for you as the therapist or a coach to, how can I explain this? Like for you as a therapist or a coach to slow down everything you do. And I don't just mean slow down your voice. So you've got more like a hypnotic voice using power pauses and stuff like that, which is pretty traditional stuff. What I mean is take your time. What's funny is when you're not trying to solve your client's problem, you're not actually trying to put them quote unquote into trance. You're not actually quote unquote doing anything hypnotic, but you're just slowing down the investigation phase. You're slowing down the questions that you're asking your client. You're really paying attention to what they're saying. You're really listening. You're not listening to try and figure out what am I going to do next, but you're really listening for those unconscious moments that your client's going to give you. You will actually speed everything up. I think, and I fell into this as well. I think one of the biggest reasons why it can take so long to work with clients, there's a lot of reasons to this, but I think one of the biggest things is because we're in so much of a rush to get things done, because we might want that speed. We're trying to get our clients their results as quickly as possible. But when you're trying to do that, you actually slow things down because you're going to interrupt those very wonderful things that happen when our client's telling you about their problem, the unconscious moments and the trance and stuff like that. So one of the best advices I got from my mentor and what I really practice today, and it's what I teach on my advanced students as well, my advanced hypnotherapy students, is slow down. Like slow down the investigation phase. Slow down your approach. Don't be in any rush to do anything. And you actually notice some extremely powerful things starting to happen with your clients. The unconscious moments will start to show. The unconscious information will come out very, very quickly. You'll see those unconscious moments. You'll be able to utilize them. But anytime you're trying to speed things up, you'll stop all those things because now you're going into this with your own plan of attack. And sometimes the plan that you've pre-prepared, well, I'd say most of the time, is never going to match what your client actually needs. So do less, talk less, listen more, take your time, and you'll notice that the results your clients get will be, as far as time, will be so powerfully quick. They'll look at you and think, how the hell did you do that? And this is the common report, you know, when we teach our students this on our advanced hypnotherapy training program, is I say, Scott, you know, like I was having to spend like 2 or 3 sessions with my clients and I'd have all these scripts and all these techniques and all these strategies. And by the end of the 2 or 3 sessions with my client, I was exhausted and the results weren't even that good. But sort of like now with this approach, I'm doing less, it's speeding up. So I'm having to spend less time with my clients and the results my clients get are like 1,000 times better, but I'm not having to do much. Is this correct? And the answer is yes. When you slow down, metaphorically, you could slow down your voice, slow down your approach, become almost in trance yourself. So your client sort of picks up on that as well. But slow down everything you do. Don't be in any rush. Anytime you're in a rush, now you're going to try and speed things up. You'll block all these wonderful things. So take your time. Don't be in any rush to try and do things quickly. And you'll notice that your client's results, speed-wise, will, you know, it'll go through the absolute roof. It'll shock you. It'll shock them. But it just shows you don't have to do a lot. When you set the right context and the right frame for therapy and coaching and hypnotherapy to happen, slow down, take your time, and monitor the results.